Take a look.
Where are you? They went to the black hole.
Okay.
She's like it.
I love the markings on that face. I see. What is it? Goat? Yeah. Doesn't want to get too close, though.
Right. I'll stay at distance. Over here. Oh my.
Okay, Maxwell. Did he go too?
Oh, no, you're right.
I defeat the unicorn.
You're not giving me $49 and
Stay there. Let me see if I got a quarter.
Hey, look at the dog.
Okay, I don't like great job. Lady, look.
You're done for you, Nana?
Lady.
You gotta walk out, though. You gotta walk all the way on the other side, though. That's plenty.
No, I'm all just staring. They don't bite, they just like lick it off or something.